Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to share files on iPhone using Files app. Now let's go ahead and open the Files app right here. I'm going to go ahead and type here Files and then go ahead and click that one. And then from here I'm just going to choose the file. Say for example this one right here. You definitely can go ahead and look for that particular file that you're going to be sharing. I'm going to click on this three dots, click the select, and then click this one right here, and then you have the option right here on the lower left. Click that one and here you go. So there are different ways to do it. So you have here contacts, recently contacts that you have had, so you can definitely choose between them, or you can also go ahead and choose between the applications available right here. So there are different applications. Again, you can click the more here in order for you to be able to see different options. So in my case, I'm going to go back and let's say, for example, I'm going to go ahead and use, let's say Messenger. I'm going to click that Messenger right there and it's going to bring me here. And say, for example, if I'm going to send it to this particular person, I can go ahead and click the send button right here. And there you go. It says sent. Now that is how we are going to do it. Again, everybody, that is how you're going to share files on iPhone using Files app.